Hey, small group, how you doing?
What up?
This is Annika.
Yeah. No, this is Annika.
I tilted my head to you. We thought we would change it up this week and send y'all a video. You gotta get your entire face on it. Send you a video with the announcements because email got boring.
It did. And I ran out of subject lines.
Yeah, I never used them.
Oh.
So.
That's how come it's so much easier for you. I spent a lot of time on the subject lines.
Announcements. Guys, tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow, 7 p.m.
6 p.m.
Well, 7 p.m. is
okay,
Union.
so we're going to Ivy in the Union. It's not at the Haynes Art Center. It's in the Union. Go to the Union at 7 p.m.
Where you watch movies.
Yeah, that. Also, dinner.
It's different.
Dinner's delicious. So tomorrow, for the people that went on the spring break trip to New Orleans, Annika and I included, we're having like a reunion dinner.
Right.
So we will not be at dinner tonight with you guys.
But
you all should still meet at 6 p.m. in front of Lenore. You can decide whether you want to go to the bottom of Lenore or the top of Lenore. You did it wrong. It's okay. Yeah, you should have anticipated that better. So y'all can do that if you want to, or you can not eat dinner. You can just like hang out in the quad, eat grubs, forage for moose parts.
No, the mammoths are all dead.
Those are megafauna, huh?
Yeah, I got 2 books today. Okay. So also, Rockbridge.
My legs are falling asleep.
Crazy exciting. Rockbridge. We love Rockbridge. And it's okay. I'm coming. It's in May. I don't really remember when, but you need to apply soon.
4th, 6th, 9th to 14th.
4th, 6th, 9th. Okay.
I had it in my email.
Oh no. Okay. And so you should go. We'll get applications in large group. You can turn them in some other large group. It's important. Go. And the price goes up if you wait. So go.
Yes.
Also, really excited. Strawberry picking. I love strawberries. And yes.
You gotta look at the camera, Annika. You can't look at the screen.
I like looking at the screen. Okay.
We'll watch it afterwards.
So strawberries. The strawberry picking season.
They're delicious.
They are. It doesn't start till May 1st. So sometime in the middle of exams when you're really stressed, we're gonna go strawberry picking.
Yeah.
It's gonna happen.
Don't bring your studies.
No. That's not acceptable.
Study the strawberries.
And also the strawberries.
Did you talk about men's and women's events?
Not yet. Okay. You want to do men's?
No.
Okay, we'll want to go to the women's event.
So, no! Okay, so the men's event is on the 27th. We'll be meeting at noon at the ATMs. There will be men and events.
Yes.
We'll be doing stuff. It's gonna be relaxing.
We're going to Jordan Lake.
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
I know more than you.
So. That's because you study the email. Okay, so it's gonna be. I'm announcing.
These are belonging.
Wait your turn. I asked you, do you want to see the men's event? You said no.
Man.
Agreed. So it's gonna be a really relaxing event. So for you men in the group, Bradley and Stephen, you guys should definitely attend that. I won't be there because my sister's in town. Oh. But she might go to the women's event.
Come with me.
Yeah, I will be there.
Okay, awesome.
Wait, I might have to pick her. Maybe I'll have to pick her up from the airport, but because it said like noon that same day, she's getting in that day at like 11. But we'll figure it out. That doesn't have any relevance to you guys.
Yeah, true statement.
Women's event.
Okay, women's event. Women's event is Friday the 26th, and it's at 6 p.m. I don't know what we're doing, where we're going. I don't know. They didn't really tell us. Will's making faces. But that's what the deal is. So that day, you need to be free. And leadership is still available. You people, stop this. Okay. So you guys need to, if you haven't applied for leadership, please talk to us. Please apply. You have till Friday at 5 p.m. I'm getting out of the screen. Okay.
You guys all contain like 6 liters in your body.
True.
Of fluid.
True statement. Ew. No, that's gross.
It's true as well. Actually, I don't really know how much a liter is. So. Okay, so Saturday night, you all have plans.
You do.
From 8 p.m.
to 4
p.m.
4 a.m.
4 a.m.
Not p.m.
We are going to be
skiing.
Yes, we are going to be skiing through the Cobb basement.
Awesome. No, that's the oppression.
No, we're doing it in the seminar room.
Okay.
No, they're not the seminar room. That other
Chamber of Secrets.
Yes. You'll be skiing through the Chamber of Secrets. Bring your sword from Gryffindor to fight the basilisk.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.